G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my homemade keto barbecue sauce. It's sweet and tangy, perfect for any of the burgers, ribs, wings. So let's go. This keto barbecue sauce, only 3 gram net carbs, and you'll get about 600 grams for this recipe. You're going to need 1 cup of tomato paste or 250 grams, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 35 grams or a quarter of a cup of your sweetener of choice, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and a shot of your favourite bourbon, completely optional. And just give it a whisk to combine. You will have to thin it out a bit with 1.5 cups of water. Now just place it onto the stove with a vented lid on low for approximately 45 minutes. Giving the sauce a stir every 15 minutes. Remember to take caution when taking off the lid because it will like to splatter a little. After 45 minutes, your tomato paste would have cooked out and all of your spices would have infused into the sauce. We're just going to add 30 ml of maple syrup, sugar-free. With a bar mix, just give it a blitz. And now we're just going to add some water for the right consistency. Make sure you give it a taste and adjust it to your taste preference. We're just going to pour the sauce into a couple of jars and that'll keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Alright, there you have it guys, perfect keto barbecue sauce. If you want to see more keto recipes, remember to subscribe to Bread and Butter, leave it a like, and we'll see you next time.